Alright, so starter motor disassembled. Apart from the natural crap that was in there, it was absolutely disgusting. I mean, the brushes were kind of covered in a bit. They weren't shining like they are now, but I think the main problem we had with her was these gaps here. If you can see, little gaps. And what you should be able to do is, with an average hacksaw blade, do the camera, you should just be able to run a hacksaw through. Some zoomies. Yeah, but if you can run a hacksaw through it like that, nice and easy, with minimal resistance, that's good. Because when I first disassembled this, could not do this with a single one of these. And the what's it says it's meant to be like a little depth. It's about 1.5 in the specifications. You can see it there. It's very important that these do have gaps, because basically this will make sure the starter motors keep spinning in a certain direction. If these gaps aren't here or they're covered, the starter motor will try and spin one way, then the other, then the other, then the other, then the other, then the other. That's your problem. But yeah, apart from crap and that, I think we're all good. Even the brush are okay. Oh, and FYI, FGR 1300 starter motor brushes, they're not cheap. Just for these little things here, and you get it 1, 2, and then you have to desolder and put them back on. It's about £38–40 for them 4 brushes. I don't know how they come to that price. I just do not know, when these brushes are about £5 and you look on eBay and whatnot, but I don't know how they come to that price. These are within spec, so I'm going to use these and keep them on. Yeah, just got to clean up and put it all together. I think you've got to put some grease in the bushing there, make sure the bushing's good in there. That was crapped up. Re-grease the bearing in there. I mean, my O-ring's okay. I've got a spare one on the way, but this one's okay, so yeah, make sure you probably put some thread lock as well in your screws. As well, you got washers. That one went in. As you can see, the alignments there, and obviously you can see evidence marks of where the next washer went on top. Very important, these like little things, and that would sit on there, then that one all on there. Trick for installation, I'll have to try and put a video up and show it, but this is just to show what the problem was. Yeah, when taking a starter motor apart, always make sure that these have got gaps as well, because it can be quite easily overlooked. Hopefully this should work, fingers crossed.